Sebastian Stępień, the creative director of CD Projekt Red's upcoming game Cyberpunk 2077, is seemingly making the jump from the Polish studio to Blizzard Entertainment. As spotted by a Resetter user, Stępien's LinkedIn account now shows him as having started at Blizzard in January as a creative director on an unnamed project, though that same profile hasn't been updated to show when he left CD Projekt Red. Stępień spent over 12 years at CD Projekt Red, working as a dialogue writer, lead story designer, creative director, and narrative and setting director throughout this time with the company. During that time, Stępień had his hands in the creation of all 3 games in the Witcher series, including several enhanced edition re-releases, and, most recently, Cyberpunk 2077.